With its 80 Lok Sabha seats, Uttar Pradesh is without doubt the most important state when it comes to the general elections, which is the only party which can take on the BJP with some credibility and strength because of its roots and presence, the Samajwadi Party. Given that the BSP is weak, as is the Congress, we should also bear in mind that this is the first ever major election that is taking place after the passing away of the party patriarch Mulayam Singh Yadav. In his first ever interview this election season, former UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Singh Yadav talks to the weak at length. He says he is strongly opposed to the BJP's politics of lies, and that the first phase of polling has indicated that there is a wind blowing against the BJP, and in the upcoming phases, this will only get stronger. The BJP, he believes, is going to suffer because of some of its own doings. Number one being the numerous paper leaks which have happened under the present state government. Farmers are unhappy, the young do not have jobs, prices are rising, and the BJP, he says, has a general inability to keep up with its promises. He talks about the BJP's work, which is geared towards making profits only for a select few. And he explains why giving money to the poor actually makes very good economic sense. He touches upon the Aata Data promise which his manifesto makes. Much has been made of the Samajwadi Party's perceived inability to select candidates, and thus it has been seen changing candidates on a number of seats. Yadav explains to us that this is because after the giving of a ticket, there are a number of issues that can crop up, such as pressures for local leadership, perception versus reality, the candidate's own popularity among the population, and thus changing is not bad, so far as the party can play to its strength and give the BJP a good fight. Yadav does understand that fighting the BJP is tough, but he says that his party has been at it for the last 2 years, and there has been some evidence in local polls that this is working. He does not shy away from taking questions about why his party has been brought to such a state that it lost even the family borough of Etawah. Besides touching upon the Pichda, that is backward, Dalit, and Adivasi core of the party's manifesto, he also talks about the pressures under which the media is working and why it has been thus reduced to chanting just the BJP's tune. He speaks about a meeting of minds with the Congress and why it is so important to listen to regional parties as they know local concerns far better. He gives a rare glimpse into his family life. He talks about his eldest daughter Aditi, who is often seen in the campaign trail with MP Dimple Yadav, who is contesting from Nainpuri. He also takes on matters of faith and says that his relationship with the divine is very personal and not a matter of propaganda. And because the BJP has been using the name of Ram so much, he says it is time that the public shall bid Ram Ram, that is, say farewell to the party. Grab a copy of the latest issue of the week to read more.